Students, now we will be doing in this video question number 2, exercise 3.1 of chapter 3. Now in this question, he asked us to make a street plan, to make a model of a city in which we have two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. So the main roads I have denoted by these blue pens. These are the two main roads. He says the main roads are along north-south direction and east-west direction. So we mark the directions like this: north, south, east and west. So similarly, I have marked these blue ones. These are, this is from east to west and this is from north to south. Then he says there are 5 streets running parallel in each direction. So that means we have 5 streets which are running parallel in east to west direction, and we have 5 streets which are running parallel in north to south direction along these main roads. Each street is at a distance of 200 meters. So the distance between the two streets is 200 meter. So you can see I have marked 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000. So the distance between, this is from the origin, the center, 200. Now the distance of street 2 will be 400, distance of street 3 will be 600, and so on. Now let us mark the other streets also, the streets which are parallel to north and south. So let's mark the streets which are parallel to north south. So I am in the question, he says take the scale to be 1 centimeter equal to 200 meter. Now in order to show 1 centimeter was very small, so you won't be able to see clearly in the video. So what I have done, I have taken 2 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 100. In place of 200, I have marked 1 centimeter is equal to 100, so that you can clearly see the video. So I am drawing here the streets parallel to at a distance of 200 meters. Here my 1 centimeter represents 100. So 2 centimeter represents 200 meter. So we have marked these 5 streets which are parallel to north-south. So marking the arrows on both the sides. Now writing here the distance again. This is 200 meter, 400 meter, again 600 meter, this is 800 meter, this is 1000 meter. This is street 1 in this direction, this is street 2, street 3, street 4, and this is street 5. Right children? So we have the seats. This is the model, these streets. Now he says, can you see there are certain crossroads, cross streets? The two streets, they are meeting at some points. These are cross streets. They are intersecting each other. Then he says a particular cross street is made by 2 streets, one running in the north-south and the other running in the east-west direction. Each cross street is referred in this manner, the following manner. He says if second street, with an example he is trying to say, if second street running in north-south direction. So the streets running in north-south directions are these, the vertical ones, right? So second street means this street. So he is referring us, so the street, reference street is this one. Then he says, and the 5th in the east-west. So which is street 5 in the east-west? This is the street 5 in the east-west. So which crossroad? Second street in the north-south and 5th in the east-west. That means this crossroad. So this crossroad, if he says, we will label it as 2, 5. We will label this crossroad as 2, 5. Then he says, using this convention, find, first part, how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3. 4, 3. So you remember, first 4 stands for north-south direction, street in the north-south direction. So street 4 in the north-south direction is this one. Right? And then 3 stands for street in the east-west direction. Third street in the east-west direction is this. So this one is the 4, 3. So here is the 4, 3. So how many cross streets we have which can be referred as 4-3? Of course, only one. So we have only one cross street which can be referred as 4-3. Then in the